Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is agile. Friend, this is a very interesting topic for you if you have interest in the agile software development. So let's start. First of all, I will request you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. What is agile actually? Agile is a methodology which is based on iteration. It is a methodology which we use for software development, and it is a iteration based approach actually. Now what is basically iteration actually? Iteration means friend that what we do, whatever the task we have, for example we are implementing e-commerce solution for example, and there are 40 tasks for example. So what we will do, we can divide the 40 tasks into chunks of iteration, and each iteration will contain the analysis, then plan, design, build, test, review, testing, and then the launching. So this is one iteration. Okay, like for example we take the first 10 tasks and complete the whole cycle here, like analyze, plan, design, build, test, review, and then launch. Here notice one thing, that launching means that it is outside the circle. That means once the 10 task is completed, one build is completed, so we make it separately, like it will not be a cycle of development. Like once it's this complete cycle of development is completed, so we deploy it on a separately. Okay, so the actual task, the continuously task of development will not affect. Then the next iteration, in the next iteration again we do the same execution, like plan, design, build, test, review, and then again the next release will be launched. And then the third iteration, again the same cycle will be executed, and then again it will be launched separately. Here remember one thing, friend, that basically with each iteration we are closing together, we are closing towards the delivery, basically delivery of the software. Like in the first iteration we completed the 10 tasks, then in the second iteration we complete the next 10 tasks, and then third iteration we completed the next 10 tasks. So in that way, with each iteration the software development, the software modules are getting matured, and till we reach the last iteration the whole execution or whole software development will be completed, and we deploy the complete solution to the customer actually. So that is the concept of actually iteration actually. So remember one thing, friend, here for example, just take as an example of Amazon here. Like Amazon has different tasks. For example, it has a customer module, it has a payment module, it has a product catalog. Okay, so like there are each modules are there, but basically in fact each modules are independent with each other. Okay, like payment module, so what we do, like for example if we have to add a payment do modifications in the payment module, what we will do, like we can use the agile approach, and like we do the modifications and add the modifications in the payment module separately actually. So it will not impact the current execution of development, it will not impact the current deployment of the e-commerce solution, and the whole execution of task can be do it separately on a iteration base. And the other thing is that the execution is completely independent, and with each iteration the software is getting more and more matured as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and hope you would like this video. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.